This Mazda CX-5 rear camera monitor is an original equipment part designed specifically for 2013 to 2015 TX5 models, so it fits cleanly into the factory location without awkward modifications. Image clarity is impressively sharp for a factory camera, giving a wide, useful view of what is behind the vehicle when reversing. Because it is an original Mazda component, the camera integrates seamlessly with the existing in-dash display and wiring harness, avoiding the reliability issues that often come with universal aftermarket units. The housing feels solid and well sealed, which helps protect the camera from water, road grime, and temperature changes over years of daily driving. Guidelines on the display pair well with the camera's viewing angle, making parking in tight spots and backing out of driveways noticeably less stressful. Overall, this rear camera monitor restores factory backup functionality the way Mazda intended, with dependable performance and a straightforward installation for anyone familiar with basic automotive work.